All right, folks. Remington, F Remington, start letter A. Good breath, right? Every 4 measures. 1, 2, ready? Chop builders, please. All right, everybody, let's get up our chop builders. Choose your option. I'm going to be playing 3A right now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, chop builders. 1, 2, ready? This is your concert D flat major scale video for your test off. Let's go through some fingerings and some key signature stuff. So first of all, locate your instrument on the side here, right? This tells you who is playing what line. And then let's go through some key signature stuff. So 5 flat club, that's going to be flute, oboe, mallets, trombone, baritone, bassoon, and tuba. Okay, you have 5 flats. They are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Okay, I'm not going to go over B flat, E flat, A flat. You know those fingerings. D flat for flutes. We're just going to do the high octave right now, so pinky for both of them. D flat for oboe, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus that round middle key on your pinky. D flat for trombone, 5th position. D flat for baritone, 1st finger. Bassoon, you're going to have to check a fingering chart. And tuba, 1st finger for D flat. G flat for flutes, thumb 1, 2, 3, 6, pinky. G flat for oboe, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4. G flat for trombone, 5th position. Baritone, tuba, 1st finger. And that's the 5 flat people. The 4 flat people are the French horns. French horns you have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Okay, A flat is going to be 2 and 3 for low A flat, thumb 2, 3 for high A flat. D flat is going to be 1 and 2. D flat is 1 and 2. You're also playing E flats second finger and B flats first finger. And altos, clarinet, trumpet, tenor, sax, you're part of the 3 flat club. E flat for clarinets, low E flat is 1, 2, 3, bottom right side key. Okay. High E flat for clarinet, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus tip here, tip. Okay, that's high E flat for clarinet. E flat for tenor sax, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pinky. And E flat for trumpet, low E flat, 2 and 3, high E flat, just 2. Low E flat, 2 and 3, high E flat, just 2. Then you also have A flat, clarinets, we have A flat key, 4, 5, 6, tenor sax, thumb 1, 2, 3, no thumb, sorry. 1, 2, 3, plus that left pinky, and then trumpet, A flat, 2 and 3. Alto saxes, we have B flats and E flats. So B flat, use your bis key. E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus that top right pinky, and F natural, right? F natural. Okay? All right, that should be all the fingerings. I'm going to play through it now. Flutes will do the high octave, or we'll do the high octave now, and then everybody else can stop the video and we'll do the low octave for the flutes. Okay? All right, here is your concert D flat major scale. Finger, sizzle, whatever you need to play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. I went really slow for your practice purposes. Make sure you got the right fingerings down, and then let's do the arpeggio. Brass, you definitely should be mouthpiecing this, okay? Sizzle or finger. Ready? 1, 2, ready, arpeggio, go. Clarinet's one thing. At the top of your scale here, we're going C, and then D, and then E flat. So we're going from bip, nothing, lip, nothing, bip, like that. All right, you might have to practice that a few times. Okay, everybody else can stop the video. Flutes, this is your low octave, okay? So low D flat, we're gonna have thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus this key here. Not this one, you gotta stretch your pinky, okay? This one right here, that's low D flat. You gotta blow your air really slow and low. It's barely audible, okay? All right, and then, so you're gonna have to go from D flat to E flat. You gotta switch your pinky there, like that. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, right? All right, here's your low octave flutes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Here's the low arpeggio. Ready, go. Okay, I'd like you to do at least both octaves of the scale when you do yours, okay? So what you can do is start at the bottom, go up to the top, and then keep going. So bottom, top, and then keep going here, and then down, and then keep going down. So this is what that sounds like. 2, ready? Sorry for my finger flub there. I lost my place on the page. So anyway, that's what that sounds like. Try to do both for the test off. All right.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Howdy ho, neighborinos. Let's get started with our rhythm. We are moving on to a new chart, chart 12.75. We are on line 1. You know how to do all of these rhythms. Now we're just flip-flopping them around, okay? So, first, in measure 1, do we see any one-andas or any one-yands, right? No, we don't. In measure 2, do we see one-anda or do we see one-yand, right? Do we see 8th note, 16th, 16th, or 16th, 16th, 8th note? Here are your two options, right? So this is one-anda. Hopefully you can see that. And this one is one-e-and, okay? We see some one-andas, right? Except there's not one, right? So we have two-anda, three-anda. Now in measure number 4 here, what do we see? One-anda or one-e-and? One-e-and, correct, good. So we have two-e-and, three-e-and, okay? And then in measure 4, the first beat is which one? One-anda or one-e-and? Great, one-anda, good, okay? We have 8th note, 16th, 16th, one-anda. Then we flip-flop it and we have a two-e-and, okay? So take a second, look through there, look for those kind of rhythms because those are going to trip you up a little bit. All right, let's write in the counts, okay? So measure number 1, we have one and, two and, three e and 4. Pretty easy, right? Measure 2, one and, then we have the two and, three and 4. Okay, I will step out of the way so you can pause the video and write it in so you can catch up. All right, next measure, we have 1, and then we flip it around, right? We have 2e and, 3e and, 4 and you can write that in if you have to. If not, you can pause at the end of the whole thing, right? Okay, and then the last measure, we start with one-anda, then we flip it around to e and, 3e and 4. Okay? All right. Here is your spot to pause the video and write in the counts. Okay, good. Now let's count some stuff. Okay? Ready? Just the first measure. Just measure 1. 1, 2, just measure 1, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time, slower, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good, easy, okay? Next measure, count it. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Count measure 2, ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good, one more time, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Measure 1 and 2 together. 2, ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Please pause the video and go back and do that again if you have to. If not, let's sizzle. Ready? Measure 1 and 2. Sizzle. 2, ready, go. Pause the video, sizzle again if you need to. If not, let's play. First note of your concert F. Remington. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. you struggle with any of that, please go back and do it again. If not, let's move on, okay? Let's write, or we have the counts written in for these next two measures, so let's count them. Measure number 3, just measure 3. We flipped it around, right? 1, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4, right? 1, 2, ready, count, go. 1, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and, again. 2, ready, and go. 1, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and, sizzle. 2, ready, go. Play it. 1, 2, play it, go. Good, fast air on the 16th notes, okay? Pause and play that again if you have to, all right? Last measure, right? Now we're flipping it around in the measure. So 1 and a 2 E and, count. 1, 2, last measure, count. 1 and a 2 E and, 3 E and a 4, again. 2, ready and go. 1 and a 2 E and, 3 E and a 4. Okay, sizzle. 2, ready, go. Again. 2, sizzle and go. Good. Clarinet sax, we're thinking thee, really quick tongue. Great. And let's play it. Ready? Play last measure. 2, ready and go. Okay, good job. Go back and do that all again if you have to, or do whatever measures you need to. I'm going to play it one time. I'm going to play the whole thing, okay? And I challenge you to count the whole thing, sizzle the whole thing, play it, okay? Ready? This is optional, so you can move on if you want. But ready? And 1, 2, whole thing, ready, go. If you can do that all and you send me a video of yourself doing all of it, I'll give you an extra Google cookie when we get back, okay? All right, good job.
I just want to say YARG today. So that's my crazy scene, and yeah, I'm not done, Ryan. So yeah, and yeah, so YARG away to the plank of the.
Okay, this is number 23 in your blue book, Skill Builder. This is one of your test-offs, all right? Couple things, right? I can't give you 100% if you don't do the dynamics. Unless you're a flutes, I can give you a pass because it's so low for you. Low for flutes, low for clarinet. Oboe, notice we have a circle. That's forked F. Right F is the plus sign. Forked F is the circle. Percussion, you should be doing mallets on this one, okay? All right, we are on Dante. That's our tempo, right? We are going walking tempo, so not too fast, not too slow. And then we are mezzo forte to start. Then we get loud in measure 3, and then we get soft at the end, okay? All right, so 3 flat club, that would be the flutes, oboe. Mallets, I'd like you to read the flute oboe line. It's the same notes. Flute oboe, and trombone, baritone, tuba. You're the 3 flat club, okay? They are B flat, E flat, A flat, and A flat, right, is first finger for tuba and baritone, 3rd position for trombones, and flutes, we got A flat, thumb 1, 2, 3, pinky, and then same with, and push a pinky. Same with oboe, thumb 1, 2, 3, pinky, except no thumb. Good. All right. And then the 2 flat club, that is the French horns. Horns, we've got B flats, first finger, and we've got E flats, second finger. And then you'll see these really low notes down here. This is low A, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, low A, right there. So we're going B flat, A, B flat. Okay, the 1 flat club is clarinet, trumpet, and tenor sax. We have B flat, and that's it. So B flat, first finger, first finger, first finger for B flat, first finger. Okay, all right, first finger for B flat for clarinets as well. And then bis key for tenor sax. Clarinets, your first note here, we have low F, right? So that's thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus bip. And then we're going to low E, which is adding lip. Okay, so you're going F, E, F, like that. Notice my pinky moving, that's it, right? Okay, good. Clarinets, you might need to take this one slow if you can't recognize the notes there. All right, no flat club is the saxophones. We have F naturals, okay? Flutes, remember low E flat and low D, we need to put down our first finger or else they're not gonna come out, right? And you're just moving your pinky down there as well. Okay, I think that about covers everything at the beginning. We're in 3/4. Let's count the first 1, 2, 3 measures plus 1. 3 measures plus 1. They're all counted the same. 1, 2, count, ready, go. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1. Good. Go back and count that again if you have to. If not, let's sizzle. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Notice how I got louder? You need to start soft with less air if you want to do that crescendo. All right, let's do it again. Sizzle. 1, 2, sizzle, go. More air to get louder, right? All right, let's all play it. Ready? And 1, 2, play it, go. Good. Play it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, here's the first measure if you're having trouble. Just the first measure. 1, 2, sizzle measure 1. Play it. 2, ready, go. Measure 2, sizzle. 2, ready, go. Play it. 2, ready, go. Again. 2, excuse my squeak, go. Good. Measure 3, sizzle. 2, ready, go. Play it. 2, ready, go. Good. All right, I'm going to play measure 1 through 4 again. You can sizzle if you have to, play it if you can. Go back in the video and review if you're not doing well, all right? Okay, sizzle or play, whatever you need to, measure 1 through 4. 1, 2, start. Mezzo forte, go. Good. So let's just look at measure 4 there. Everybody say 1, 3, 1. Say that. 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1. With the breath, again, ready, go. 1, 3, 1. Sizzle measure 4 plus 1. Ready, go. Loud, right? Forte. 1, 2, sizzle measure 4, go. One more time with the breath. Actually, you know what? Play it this time. Measure 4, play it. And 1, 2, play it, go. Good. All right. Play it one more time. 2, ready, go. All right, good. Start at measure number, this one, measure 5. Okay. Everybody start at measure 5 and let's count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, count, go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Again. 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, let's sizzle, or let's sizzle it. I think you can do this many. Notice where the slurs are though, okay? Sizzle the last 4 measures starting right here. Ready? 1, 2, sizzle, go. Good. Pause the video and practice each measure on your own if you're having trouble with them. Again, ready? 1, 2, last 4, ready, go. Okay, do it again. Play it this time. Last 4. 1, 2, play it, ready, go. Alright, go back and review that as you need to. Let's all sizzle the whole thing. Whole thing, ready? 1, 2, sizzle, go. Alright, everybody play the whole thing. Last time I'm going to play it with you. Whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, if you had trouble with any of that, go back and do it some more. If not, then great, awesome job.